Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Minecraft tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to change the version of Minecraft. This is very simple and we are not just looking at post-release versions, but also at the alpha and beta versions. To do this, I first open the Minecraft launcher. And first let's talk about if there is a solution for Java and Bedrock Edition, as in all other tutorials, and the answer is quite simple, no, because I can't change the version for the Bedrock Edition. This is only possible in the Java edition. So we click on the Java edition and go to Installations at the top. Here I can now find my current installed version. I can also install a different version via New Installation. I assign a name and select version 1.0 for example, which is the official release version of Minecraft. And once I have selected the appropriate version, I click on Create and I can now play this version. But as I told you in the beginning, we are not only able to play post-release versions, but also alpha and beta versions. However, they were not included in the list, so where can I find them? First we have to go to Settings and check the box Show historical versions of Minecraft for Java Edition in the launcher. And now we go the same way, Java Edition, New Installation, entering a name, and select a version before the release version, which are way down here, and as you can see, these are old alpha versions. So I select one, click on Create, and now we can play these versions as well. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.